Two-channel amplifiers are highly adaptable, and when powerful enough, as the Orion XTR1500.2, give you multiple options for bass-heavy systems, or just redonkulous power for your highs. This amp features two channels for stereo output, or you can bridge both channels to send more power to just subwoofers. The Orion XTR1500.2 even offers a 3-channel configuration, the left and right configured for 2-channel stereo operation, and the third output is configured for single-channel bridged output. Impedance here requires all the drivers to be 4 ohms. Orion's XTR series innovates by offering incredible power in their monoblock and multi-channel amplifiers. The XRT1500.2 is more powerful than most 2-channel amplifiers, which on average give out maybe 100 watts per channel on a good day. The amp is a beast and pretty heavy, so we opened it up to check out its guts to make sure it wasn't weighed down with rocks. But we were actually kind of surprised. Very solid amount of power supply transistors, output transistors, filtering caps, and nice toroids. This amp is a Class AB and will be less efficient than a Class D. It's a power hog, so make sure not to choke this amp with undersized power cables. The XTR1500.2 has Rms Power Ratings of 420 watts RMS by 2 channels at 4 ohms, 750 watts RMS by 2 channels at 2 ohms, and 1500 watts bridged at 4 ohms. It is not stable at 2 ohms or 1 ohm in bridged mode. Orion provides an amplifier birth sheet with a CEA certification at 4 ohms in 2-channel mode with a testing voltage of 13.8 volts. These ratings prove the XTR to be a formidable amplifier of massive bass potential, plus makes the requirement of 0-gauge power and 0-gauge ground wire a necessity. 14 to 16 gauge is fine for remote turn-on, and depending on what you're driving, 10 to 12 gauge is cool for speakers and subs. The larger power and speaker terminals make the current output and current demands obvious. RCA inputs accept low-level 200 mV to 4 volt RCA inputs from the head unit, line driver, or DSP. The RCA line outputs provide easy daisy chaining to additional amplifiers. Adjustments include gain control, phase control for phase differences between drivers, variable low-pass and high-pass filters, and bass boost. The included remote gain control plugs into the amplifier via the 1/8 inch mini jack plug and is ideally meant to be installed up front as a bass level control. To prevent damage to your gear, the XTR features power and protect LED indicators, plus has 5 protection modes: thermal, DC offset, short circuit, under voltage, and over voltage. The amplifier does not have a built-in fuse, but Orion recommends using a 200 amp fuse. If you enjoyed this video on the Orion XRT1500.2, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below. Join the conversation below with any comments and questions you may have. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get all of your car audio and video gear with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com. Links in the bio. Thanks for watching.